हाँ जी। हाँ हाँ। हाँ हाँ, सब ठीक है यहाँ पे, आप बताइए। अच्छा, चलो मैं आपको फिर फ्री होके कॉल करता हूँ, ठीक है। हाँ, ओके। वेल हाय गाइस, I was talking to phone on someone really important in my life. The reason they are important is because the journey started many years back when my family was going through a normal phase, whereas they were going through a very tough phase, or you can say they were starting their tough phase. And after many years, it came that they had taken a bungalow, they had taken cars, and I was going through a tough phase. Of course, we had some good family relationships since that time, and this was the person who actually stood by me. uh, जो उस मुसीबत के टाइम पे मेरे साथ रहे बिना किसी मोटिव के, मकसद के। ही हेल्प मी आउट इन मॉनेटरी टर्म्स, इन mental terms. So I was not really a positive guy, but since I met this guy, since the time he actually helped me out, he showed me the way. I actually started being more humble. So that's why I thought, why not make a video about this and tell how's it being humble. The first one being, accept that you are not perfect. It's completely fine that you are not perfect. No one is perfect in this world. Nor am I, nor are you. And everyone is replaceable. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। कभी कभी हम लोग कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम कर रहे होते हैं काफ़ी टाइम से, हम सोचते हैं कि यार अगर मैंने ये छोड़ दी पोजीशन तो काम खराब हो जाएगा इनका, बट एक्चुअली में ऐसा होता नहीं है। कई बार होता है कि हम छोड़ देते हैं और उसके बाद कोई कम एक्सपीरियंस वाला या फिर कई बार हमसे बेटर कैंडिडेट मिल जाता है, एंड देन the thing goes on. No one ever closes company just because one person is leaving. Although of course if you are experienced, they will try to retain you because you already know the processes. जो नया person आएगा उसको processes सीखने में time लगेंगे. So never think that you are perfect or anyone is perfect. अगर हम perfect अपने आप को assume करते हैं, so sometimes we become egoistic. Well, the second point I'm going to cover is stay grounded. So basically, abhi recently we had a very big loss in our country. The actor Irfan Khan passed away, and trust me, including me, a lot of people felt कि it was a personal loss, even though that person, no one of us knew him personally. उसका रीज़न ये है बिकॉज ही वॉज अ ग्राउंडेड पर्सन. ही यूज टू टॉक लाइक यू मी, एक कॉमन ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह. अगर यही मैं ये वीडियो किसी लग्जरी स्पेस में फरारी में बैठ के बनाऊँ या फिर मैं बुर्ज खलीफा पहुँच जाऊँ और साथ में लग्जरी वॉचेस हों, सो यू माइट नॉट बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विद मी. यू विल से यार यार ये खुद तो हम इतना शो ऑफ कर रहा है. You look at the different motivational speaker, of course they have reached the level and they have, but that shosha पीछे से पूरा सब videos दिखाना and all that, I'm not saying that is wrong obviously at that level, but obviously people are not able to connect to them. आज की डेट में क्यों मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स जो हैं उनसे लोग इतना डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते, उसका यही रीज़न है. बिकॉज you have to stay grounded. Whatever you heights you have reached, you have to stay grounded. जब हम पाथ अपना स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी टेक अ रनवे. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, हमने भी वही रनवे लिया है जो आज हम अपने डिप्यूटी या फिर जो उस चीज़ में अब आया है वो कर रहा है. प्लेन कैनॉट फ्लाई until unless you take a runway. Plane cannot fly directly. So always remember where you come from. The third point I'm going to cover is don't be afraid to apologize. Again, this is the crux of all that I have covered. If you are grounded, if you are humble, if you accept that you are not perfect, and if you don't judge, अगर आपको लगता है कि गलती है, so there is no harm in saying sorry. There are a lot of people actually I know personally who have been my bosses. They're very humble. Humble in a sense कि अगर उन्हें लगता है कि उन्होंने मेरे को डांटा है किसी चीज़ के लिए, and later they realize कि यार ये जो है ना ये गलत था. It's not, I'm just putting it in one segment, but it can be in multiple phases of life, personal, professional. And they said sorry. Although वो लोग senior हैं, they could have walked away, not saying anything to me, but they made sure they say sorry. Why? Because they were grounded, they wanted to connect, they wanted to be humble, they remembered कि वो कौन सा रनवे लेके उस पोजीशन पे आज पहुंचे हैं. दे नो कि कल को वो रनवे लेके शायद मैं आप कोई भी उस पोजीशन पे पहुंचेगा. टाइम चेंजेस, एवरीथिंग चेंजेस विद टाइम, थिंग्स मूव ऑन. आप ग्रो करोगे या फिर आप कुछ और प्रोजेक्ट ले लोगे, उसकी जगह उस पर कोई और आएगा, कोई जूनियर आएगा, कोई सीनियर आएगा, कोई आपका पुराना फ्रेंड आएगा. सो जस्ट डोंट बी अफ्रेड टू से सॉरी. इफ इट्स अ मिस्टेक, से सॉरी. एंड सॉरी कहने से कोई छोटा नहीं या बड़ा नहीं हो जाता. इफ यू से सॉरी, रिलेशनशिप इंप्रूव होते हैं. You will be more happier and you will be more comfortable gelling well with people. So that was the topic, guys. I will keep coming up with my thoughts, sharing with my family here. If you have any comments, any particular topics, or any thoughts about my videos, you want to suggest something, please feel free. I would love to take up those topics. And keep watching the space for more, not just Baatein. Signing out, Manuj Mata.